OKFM 101.7.
And yeah, my memory now briefly yeah Akuapem Poloo breaking news. Judge no I'm on 3 months.
Kwame, a bit unfortunate, and I say this with a lot of perspective, because crime, you will be there for intent. Sometimes, and you're born in another crime now committed. The intention behind the crime, and so important in finding you guilty or not, or in trying the matter. And that is why even when you are caught in the act of committing a crime, you don't call court, not court to kill or no. You must have the opportunity to be able to explain yourself and defend yourself. Kwame, we would have wished to say that the judges or the judge in this matter would have given a non-custodial sentence, Kwame, instead of a custodial sentence, say the back to prison. No. Yampe community service for a period of time, so 6 months, a 1 year community service, Krana, Nanka Yamano. I think that a custodial sentence in this particular issue is a bit too harsh, Kwame. Kwame,
Now, yeah, honorable, upon your baby, you say, it will be a young quader, ye my one more say, others know, while run who are Baba and him, no Pupu Punoto. When you say be a Mrano, as soon dear me, will be our person baby be out by the Shandy.
Yes, Kwame, but also the case is very peculiar, different. Just say, we on the bus, so. And they come for me. My phone on chat had yet. And why expose your crime to idea for the child pornography? What's your idea? But Kwame, the only difference between idea or and say, what they were told are there for in 10 times. So, what's your idea? Kwame, my jari de dia, the boy.
I
no mama quay,
but Mrana say, and from a trouble thing.
Kwame, anything I make, I say, you see, the difference between what makes the a crime was the fact that they were too abundant, so exposable from. What you here? That is a very serious thing our year. So she crossed the line. But how do we remedy it? Because no exposable from, but the court is going to end up exposing Abofrano more by taking away his mother. What's your fear? Because within the 3 months the mother is away, who takes care of Abofrano? What's your fear? I mean, what is the impact of the sentencing on Abofrano's psychological well-being? Because Abofrano is what the state is trying to protect. In this particular matter, Abofrano. So I think that all those issues surrounding it should be put in the right perspective. Wafum Obiadi to himself wafum with Tetiamra. She crossed the line, and she shouldn't have done that. On one kata, I think that she's expressed enough remorse.
Okay, yeah.
Court, she pleaded guilty to all 3 counts. What you say? Which is or did two say, and she has expressed enough remorse. And I think, since then, after that incident, we have observed, no man or ye to social media, no swap to Kakra. What you say? So there's evidence of, good behavior, there's evidence of no one Casadena or ye and and I think that should have touched the heart of the court to temper justice with mercy. And not to let her off the hook, baby, young forces the court no be done, but a non-custodial sentence. Come to say in prison, so I have too congested. I mean, so the almost media winning a book from Ukraine, baby. Now, Obi, I Bonnie say, now you say, on Uncle Kamwa, because the intent the intention of custodial sentencing or prison sentencing is to reform you, Kwame, to reform you. And considering Bonina or committee, I don't think that prison is enough reformation for her. In fact, Anka court in Quebec me as suggested to your friend is saying a compulsory psychological assessment. Yeah, referring on the psychologist. Compulsory. A community service, no. Now compulsorily he's seeing a psychologist for a compulsory psychological counseling. That is how you reform somebody. You reform to what they are, at the end of the day, at the end of one year, it's your man of community service, the PR or baby also Kusi, or baby also corporate, baby also you community service, baby. And not alone. Ocean Nidina beer, kind of fast year popular at the Adena. Community service would have been enough punishment for her. But okay. Akuapem Poloo or that would have been enough.
Yeah.
But yeah, the name go to prison or minor for born hooker as for managing the prison conditions. So saying yeah, Papa Kwame, it's a bit too harsh.
I don't know that. I don't pay. Because that's all. Mesa Thompson, ASEPA boss, the NHN community 101.7.
OKFM 101.7.